Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 18 using surface design in SolidWorks. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. Now we have the empty workspace open. We have the drawing on the left side, and let's begin. Firstly, we need to start by doing a sketch. So in this case, I think I would go for creating a sketch from the right plane here, and I would just simply create a couple of lines. Alright, we'll go for smart dimension, and 63 plus 44.5. and the overall length over here is 114, and this thickness is 13, and this thickness is 13, and exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, extrude surface, and you can give an extrude of 89 by 2 on both sides. .5, and in this case I have preferred to give on both sides is because once we create it this way, then I don't need to go and search where is the center point for creating the cylinder. I already have the center point because there is a XY plane over here. There is an origin system over here, an axis system. Alright, now let's just go ahead and select this plane here and go for a sketch. In this case I would just create a circle which is tangential like that, and that would be of radius 44.5, so 44.5, 89, and this should be tangential. We'll go for tangent, tick mark. Now we'll just use these two lines here and go for convert entities and go for select these two lines here and go for construction. We would do next would be to use the trim entities and just trim this portion. Now exit sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, extrude, reverse direction 13. You can use that surface, go for trim, and trim in this portion here, tick mark. Now you have that gone. Right? Now what's next? Let's select this face here and go for sketch, and you can use create a circle with the same center. Oops, let's just remove that coincidence and just select this and this here and go for concentric, tick mark, and use smart dimension and dimension it as diameter 50, and create one more circle of diameter, how much, 40. Exit sketch now, and you can go for features, surfaces, extrude, and give an extrude distance of 38. Alright, now use trim surface, and I'm not pretty happy with the result that it's giving. So anyways, we'll just go for the sketch here and then go for trim surface and select that face there and go for tick mark. Now we have the small gap created over there. So if we would like to see that, then probably we'll just have to select the surface, extrude, and just no, okay, we'll do one thing. Just go for the right plane and go for section cut, and we'll be able to see if that part remains. No, it's gone. There's no surface there because it's removed. Anyways, let's just go ahead and complete the design here. Now what we'll do is we'll just use this fill surface and just select 1 and 2 here and go for tick mark. Now that's complete. And finally we just need to fill this portion. We'll just go for fill surface and just fill these by clicking on these sketches, on these edges. Now that's complete. Click on tick mark. You can use the same full surface and just go for offset surface. You can use reverse direction offset of 89. That's 89. Now we have the same thing on the other side now. And finally we need to create this particular surface here. So to do that, what I would prefer to do will be okay, let's just take this face here and go for sketch. What we'll do is I'll just draw this line here, okay, and just take the circle here and go for convert entities, trim entities, and just trim all these remaining portions. Go for smart dimension and give 13. Use an axis, just create this. Let's go for this and this and this and go for symmetric, tick mark. Now you can see that the sketch is fully constrained, so you can just exit sketch. Now you can go for extrude surface, extrude it up to the surface and up to this surface here. And just try it out, but I don't think now it's working. Let's just try it out. No, it's just creating some rebuild error, so just go for blind and from here to here, right? So 114 minus 13 will be 101, so 101. Okay, that's good. Now what we'll do next is we'll just take this plane here, go for sketch, just from this point just draw a line here and go for exit sketch. I'll go for extrude and reverse direction. We'll just draw a line, preferably of the same thickness, that's 13. Double enter. Alright, now use trim surface and just take this off, tick mark, and that's it. And that's it. So that's all about this particular video. If you would like to see any of anywhere that I have missed out, or if the surface is not continuous, you can always go ahead and take this right plane here and go for a section cut. And you can see that the surface is continuous. As you can see here, it's continuous. I mean to say, by saying continuous, I mean to say that the surface, if I try to fill if I try to fill water over here, I just keep filling, or it would be a continuous thing. It would just completely fill. It won't be like, you know, this will be a closed one and here we have another closed loop or something. It will be a continuous surface. So I hope you understood that, and if you have any doubt or clarifications, you can always write to me at CAPAs. Also, you can just comment below the video and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I get it, or as soon as I find time to reply that. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at katia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.